What do you think that says about the world you've created, Alucard?
Fuck. Thought that Alucard guy was the only one.
Alucard.
I can't help you. I belong to a world where all is death. Your world of choices was not meant for me to interfere with.
Alucard.
My name is Alucard. I deal with garbage like you.
Garbage like me? Ha! Who do you think you're talking to? Have you lost your mind?
No, you're even less than garbage. You're just scum.
Alucard. 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 Alucard.
Thank you for your patience on this matter.